This is Ready Sports app by Caitlin McCarthy. An introduction. The Ready Sports app includes features like athletic statistic tracking, video chatting and messaging, scheduling, and personalized profiles. Within these profiles, it includes different accomplishment of the athletes as well as the coaches' coaching experiences, their ages and their positions they played as, and the athletes include their ages as well and their positions also. The goal of Ready Sports is to offer technological features that will allow athletes to better their performance even when they're unable to meet in person. This is specifically true right now for the pandemic when nobody is allowed to meet. Our target market is baseball and softball players, and within this region, it's athletes wanting to get better, even though they're only going to get better through online purposes. An executive overview. Why is it needed? Right now, our society is in a full technology base due to the pandemic. Therefore, Ready Sports offers that full technology side, including with the video chatting and the messaging, as well as the growth and the statistic checking. During this time, athletes are losing their skills by not being able to meet with teams or coaches. That creates the problem, which is what the problem is solving. And athletes are taking the crucial time off that they need to get better. And during this time, when nobody is being able to meet, this is the best time to get better, as other people are also taking that time off as well. The economic qualitative benefits of Ready Sports. It includes a membership access and therefore would be the economic benefit to the Ready Sports organization. The qualitative benefit would be the feedback from the athletes on the app itself, as well as coaching. The budget and cost, it would be based on the developer cost, the design of the product or the design of the app, the security and the architecture technique. This would at least be $40,000 to $80,000, and it would be created within a 2 month time frame. It would be more time due to different holidays right now if we were to launch the app. Information system evaluation and strategy. It's fully operable on different platforms. This includes iOS, Android, and Windows. This way, we are able to reach user integration and we are able to reach our full target market, even if they have one of the 3 phones. Software uses include the telecommunications, spreadsheet, and multimedia. Telecommunications focuses on the communication between the athlete and the coaches. This would include a chat, an email, or a messaging system within the app. The spreadsheet would include the scheduling for an online lesson with a video chat. It would also show the full statistics of growth based on the batting average, defensively and offensively stats. The multimedia would include the video chatting technique, which is what Ready Sports is focused on. Storage and security. It would secure all information about athletes and coaches. That way, there's no information leaked out based beyond our app. It would be a security code placed on the customer end as well as the business network. It would include an encryption method within the app, and therefore it would be secret and secure. Strategy. With the Ready Sports strategy is to provide a unique video chatting ability and the opportunity to select a coach for the best fit, as well as statistic tracking. Athletes want to work with coaches that have been there and done basically what they've been through, and therefore that would be best fit, matching position with position. The IT system layout. The expectation of the system layout is offering a competitive advantage, obviously. The ability to track one's own performance and the video chatting ability. By doing this, it would be available, again, across all platforms. The operating system would be the iOS, Android, and Windows. The risk and constraints with the Ready Sports app is the network or internet damages. The reason for this is because Ready Sports does not run without one or the other, and that would be similar for other apps as well on mobile devices. Requirement breakdown, which is in Appendix A. The requirements, we need video chatting, messaging, or a scheduling technique as well as statistic sheets in order to be the top coaching app in the local area. The IT layout network, which is in Appendix B, comes from the data center, which is then through the service providers, including Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, and it would run through the network of LTE, GTM, 4G, or 3G, and then it would shift to the app and users/customers to be usable. The IT layout telecommunication, which is in Appendix C, includes the communication between the athletes and coaches. This would be the full use of building our athletes up in order to encourage them and motivate them to get better. Which brings me to Ephesians 4:29, let no corrupting talk come out of your mouths, but only such as it is good for building up as fits the occasion, that it may give grace to those who hear. The IT system layout, the IT layout design would include the app layout, which is in Appendix D, of course. It includes the main page as well as first-time membership, and then it would go to the main page, which includes all the tabs that are available that include the features of the app. The IT layout user in Appendix E shows how the user is able to use the phone and the app to gain the different features. Knowledge management, business intelligence, and web-enabled commerce. Business intelligence goal is to find the right information to create reports that would better help the company make decisions. Ready Sports uses business intelligence through the use of sabermetrics, which is a type of statistic, and it helps you understand and improve and analyze an athlete's performance. The knowledge management type is the more valuable information you are able to get, the better their performance may be. And in this, Ready Sports has found a structure based on the ARIST, sports knowledge management and data mining, and it's a process of transforming these data into useful and interesting sports knowledge that can be categorized by the techniques used: expert examination, statistics, and machine learning techniques. Each of these would be based on coaching as well as the athletes. The expert examination would be based fully on coaching, examining what the athlete needs to do better. Web-enabled commerce. Ready Sports is a business consumer business, and the advantage of this is quicker responses and strengthening customer relationship, as is Ready Sports focused on is the customer relationship side of the app. The Ready Sports app membership enables this to happen, and therefore it creates the connections that are being made between the athletes and the coaches. The Global IS plan, outsourcing of the software and development. It would create a time or cheaper way. The cloud computing mobile applications reduces the time and then better reliability and easy data recovery, which is important because we are storing data from past to present and information based on our athletes that we don't want to lose. Considerations for the global would be language differences, technological standards, or layouts. Language and technology are one of the most important because different countries have different languages, and therefore without the option to change languages within Ready Sports app, there's no way that we are able to communicate our app successfully. And the technological difference would be based on Ready Sports researching different ways that global countries are using their technology and how we are able to create an app in such global countries. In addition, the laws based in global countries is one of the most important. One is the privacy law, which is the securing of data or gaining of data from customers. And in the United States, it's okay to gain data from our customers as well as third-party providers. But in different countries, we are only able to get the okay from individuals themselves. Lessons learned. The importance of information systems basically allows businesses to thrive, especially in a time like right now when businesses are fully relying on technology. And it allows information to be accurate and easily available. You can simply just look on a computer or your mobile device in order to search for something. And it creates better decision making, better planning, and better results in the end. In doing that, though, there are opportunities that also arise from IS, and With that being said, you are able to store and analyze this information. Without this, you would not be able to store an abundant amount of information as you are now. It also creates more collaboration within everybody. It creates communication more than there was available without the opportunity of IS. Knowledge from learning. Proverbs 24:4 states, "By wisdom a house is built, and by understanding it is established by knowledge. And the rooms are filled with all the precious and pleasant riches." And it goes to show that technology is constantly revolutionizing, and therefore each individual or business needs to constantly stay up to date with their updates, software updates, hardware updates, in order to create a competitive advantage against others. Summary, the goal of Ready Sports is to encourage and motivate young athletes to continue perfecting their athletic skills even when they're not able to meet as a team or with coaches. The importance of information systems in Ready Sports is the development of the app wholly, the relationship with athletes and the coaches, and the communication as well as the storage of the data that's important. Looking at it all together, it brought me to the idea of Proverbs 16:9, which states, "In their hearts, humans plan their course, but the Lord establishes their steps." And in looking at this app, it shows that you should trust in the Lord for everything ahead of what's to come. You are able to plan your own steps, but in the end, the Lord grants those steps for you. This is the appendix page, Appendix A, B, and C, which is in the IT system layout, as well as Appendix D and Appendix E, and the citations. Thank you.